What's going on, and welcome everybody. As you can see behind me, we are back out here at this one-lane bridge in the country. Last time we were here last month, we had a bunch of luck and quite a few of you asked me to return. So that's exactly what we did. As always, I have the Mega Cube from Magnetar with me today to see what is hiding down below. And if you guys need any more information, just check the description down below. Now let's do this. Thanks, guys. Wow, my goodness gracious. Is there anything other than nails? What's this? I got some old rebar, it looks like, and a whole bunch more nails there. All right. All right. I thought I was stuck in trees, folks. That's not a tree. Oh. Okay. Well, let's get this off of there. My goodness. Got more chunks of rebar. A bunch of little stuff. Where'd this thing go? Oh, we got it. Where's it going? Man, I wonder if this is something from the railroad. Whoa, I thought I was stuck like Chuck, but look at that. I don't know what the heck this is. I do think I found one the first time I came here, but still I have no idea what it's from or what it's for. Anybody knows, drop a comment. Couple more nails there. Goodness gracious. All right. Oh, caught on some line right there. What do we got? That's different. Saunders. It's the top of a clipboard there. Alright. Some more nails also. That's different. I don't think I ever found something like that. I think it says Illinois, USA. Can't tell. Sticks. There. Well, sticks and nails. Ooh, I see a bobber. See if I can get it. I think I got it. Come here. Look at that. I don't know what that guy is. Not sure. That's actually a drill bit right there. A little bobber. I don't know what that is. A little fishing jig on that one too. Couple more nails there. That thing's been down there forever. No shortage of nails. Right about there. Oh, whoa. Come here. Oh, my gosh. Oh. Oh. Oh my goodness, folks. Oh my God. All right, folks, as soon as I got this bad boy up, the GoPro overheated, but my goodness. Ugh. This thing is so heavy. Not real sure what that guy is. I mean, that's gotta weigh 25, 30 pounds, probably more. Nah, I don't know. What do we think that could be from? That is so cool right there. I mean, that's just neat right there. I mean, I'm thinking it's something from the railway. I don't know, maybe an old cart. Like I said, there used to be another real old bridge there. I don't know, but that's super cool. Ooh. Found something. Oh, yep. There's something. That's got some weight to it there. Oh, God. Big old metal bracket into the bolt there. Looks like another drill bit right there. This thing's got some weight to it. I can't get it off there. Well, that wasn't easy to get off. All right. Where's my railroad spikes? Getting all these dang nails. Piece of rebar. I don't know what these little twisty things are. Keep getting a bunch of those. That something? Yeah, I think so. Oh, yeah. My gosh, what is that? Oh. What? Sure felt that smack it. I gotta get it off. Oh. I don't know if that's something from, see these little things that come up? There used to be an old bridge right there. Maybe that, it looks like where a latch would go. I'm out of breath, it's hot. Any ideas? Drop me a comment, folks. I don't know. That's neat. Looks old. What we got there? A bunch more stuff. That, whoa, check that out. That is the end of a huge drill bit. I guess it just sheared off right there. A bunch of these little parts of some bolts there, rebar, bottle cap, nails. What's that? Not real sure what that is. Part of a chair leg maybe. Some more rebar, bottle caps, yellow light. Hey, not one, but two on there. Heck yeah, folks. I got the last two cleaned up. Forgot, I gotta share that with you guys. These are old railroad spikes. I remember that railway was abandoned in 1949. These are some old ones. I love finding railroad stuff. My goodness. Another old rebar. More nails. Oh, I see some color on there again. Another shotgun shell. Yep. Shells and nails. Hey, is that another one? Oh, heck yeah, it is. Heck yeah. I got the third one for the day. There we go. What? Why is this here? I just looked down. There's two batteries in front of me. We'll get those too. Oh, another shotgun shell. Yep, another shotgun shell. Nails, and I don't know if that's rebar or what. And scrap money now, I'll tell you that. Wait. Heck yeah. There we go. That looks to be about the straightest one so far today. Here's number 4. I wish they were easier to identify. I mean, because the railway, like, it was the late 1800s. I mean, this could be well over 100 years old. I mean, it most likely is, but, you know, I won't really be able to tell. Goodness. Glad I brought extra buckets today. Shotgun shell. Yep, I thought I saw some color down there. It's not spent yet. There's another one floating there. What else is on here? Under this muck. What's left of a bolt. Whoo-wee. All right, my good friends, as y'all can see, I'm absolutely spent. I mean, it is just warm out here, but it was well worth it. This is just such an amazing spot. I mean, all the nails and everything, whatever, that's scrap money, but this other stuff is so cool to me. The old railroad stuff, whatever that cast iron wheel is, I have no idea. If any of you have any clue on what some of this stuff is, make sure to drop me a comment down below. Now, with all that being said, I truly appreciate each and every one of you for tagging along. And everybody remember, get up, get out, go find yourself, and we'll see you all in the next episode. Peace out, everyone.